Welcome to the kitchen, nutrition time. I'm Chris Downing, here to introduce to you Downing-ology, my favorite Shakeology drink. Let me show you the magic. I like to use almond milk because of my dairy allergy. Here's the ice. Ice keeps it nice. I like to use the Café Latte Vegan because it gives me that coffee taste without drinking coffee. Cinnamon and powdered peanut butter. All right, whip this baby up for you. Very good stuff here. This is amazing. Delish. Shakeology is an easy way to get your daily dose of dense nutrition. For more recipes, make sure you subscribe to Shakeology YouTube channel, and don't forget to tell us what your favorite Shakeology recipe is. I'll see you soon.